And there's amazing guided meditation on YouTube for free that people can do. You can, any piece of paper you could journal in. And I was never a good journaler, but I've gotten so good at it now. And one thing, like when I first started writing in my journal, I was writing like a lot of happy things and, this and that. And my therapist, she told me the most incredible tip. She goes, "Why are you censoring your journal? You need to write. Why are you censoring your own journal? You need to write exactly what is in your mind because it needs to go from here on to paper. Because
You weren't
that's
authentic with yourself.
yes." She goes, who are you afraid that's going to see it? And if they do, who cares?
Right,
Why are
right.
you censoring your journal?" And so she goes, "Stop doing that." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, that makes no sense." Cause I'm like writing all cute things like Susan, even I was putting like stickers, you know, I mean, colors, and I'm like, why? This is supposed to be like, if you want to drop F bombs and curse
Yep,
people, this is where you put it,
the truth.
get it off of there into here. And then the other thing she told me, which game changer, is when you're journaling, do it in a mirror. Sit in front of a mirror.
Do it in a mirror. I never
And
heard that before.
I know, game changer. And what you do is you're watching yourself in the mirror and it's like a mini therapy sesh for yourself.
Wow. Oh, I'm so gonna do that. That's so
It's
interesting.
so I'll just sit because I have a full length mirror in my bathroom. I'll just sit on my bathroom floor and I'll write and I'll like be looking at myself and all these different thoughts come to me. It's totally changed. Now
Wow.
I'm like, I never know what's going to come out and go in here when I
Feel
start.
like your channeling spirit is coming right to you, or your higher self, or your
Yes,
God center,
yes,
however people like to think of it.
yes. And I'm glad you mentioned higher self because when I learned about your higher self and your inner child through meditation, it changed my life. And so now when I'm meditating, I always meditate to my higher self, always. And she always comes in.
Yep.
And it's just, there's some days that it sucks. My meditation for the day sucks, but I still did it. And even if you don't have time, like sometimes I'll be so busy, I'll just do it in the shower. I'll just try and
Yeah.
meditate while I'm in the
Water
shower.
is so wonderful
It
because
is.
water is so cathartic. And
Yes.
sometimes I put my hands under hot water just to
Yeah.
feel grounded and just
Yeah.
to
And it's
let all the
soothing.
tension go. Yes, a
And if
hundred
I
percent.
start to get tense, I'll put the heating pad on my back.
Oh,
Things like that. If I start to feel it's just like warm and cozy
mm-hmm.
and even though I live in Florida, it just makes me feel so I think that could be the littlest thing. And even if just do a sentence a day, just start out a sentence a day. And with the meditation, like you don't have to, there's people that meditate for hours. That's never going
Yeah.
to be me ever.
No, me either. I have a monkey brain.
Yeah, I'm fine with it. But if I can get 5, 10, 15 minutes in a day, there's some days I just, like I said, I only have time to do it while I'm in the shower. You don't have to sit with your eyes shut to meditate. You can pray, you can
Mm-hmm.
say your prayers, you can ask you need to, but one thing you have to ask the universe for what you want. Even though it knows what's best
Huh?
for you, you need to ask because the universe needs to know that you're ready for it. So I
Oh,
think
agree.
those are some like key things. And there's some things like honestly, like I'll put in here and I'm like, this is so silly, but I don't care because I just need to write it down um and get it out. And then there's some things in there that I've read back, some stuff on there, and I'm like, yeah, I needed to get that out of my brain.